Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can join us on the road to 1K. Right now I'm at about 510 subscribers. That's what I'm at last time I checked. So we halfway there, but go ahead and join us so you can be a part of the journey. Okay, so today's video is just going to be a day in my life, but it's going to have a little twist on it, and it's going to be a self-care Saturday. So basically last night I was in such good vibes. I was feeling super positive, super productive, and I was like, I just want to prioritize my self-care and all that stuff like that. So yeah, basically I'm just gonna be doing things for myself today just to help me remember to put myself first and stuff like that. Like this video and make sure you comment. So yeah, I'm about to go to Walmart. I know that they have the bedspread that I want. Hopefully I can find like some decorative pillows in there too, and anything that will kind of help me with tomorrow, but I kind of already have stuff at home for that. So yeah, I'm about to go to Walmart, and yeah, I'll show y'all what I get out of there. I already know I'm gonna make a purchase out of there for sure. So yeah. Okay y'all, so this is the bedspread that I got. I think it is so cute. The velvet is so like chic, and my room already has gray in it, and this is the perfect color, so I'm super excited. It's gonna be so luxurious feeling. And then I just got a couple of healthy snacks so I can eat better and treat my body better, and yeah. So yeah, right now I am at TJ Maxx. I've been wanting to get some things for my room, just like organization stuff. Okay y'all, so I just left TJ Maxx, and as y'all can see, I got a lot of stuff. I got stuff for a bath. I got like a little thing for storage, and I needed some storage. And what else did I get? I can't remember, but my camera's dying, so I'm gonna see y'all when I get home, and peace. Okay guys, I'm home now. I charged up my camera, so I'm just going to show y'all the things that I got from TJ Maxx. I got stuff for my pamper routine. I got stuff for my room. So yeah, I'm just going to show y'all everything. And it's so heavy. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this little organizer, and it says Hello Gorgeous, and I love that it's like geometric. My boyfriend calling. Hello? I am. I'm gonna put this in the video too. Alright, I'm about to put you on mute till I'm done this part, okay?
You can just call me back when you're done.
Okay. I love you.
Say, you two people, I say, what's up?
They heard you. I said I love you.
I love you too.
Alright, bye-bye. Okay, back to what I was saying. So I got this little organizer. I think I'm just gonna put like my eyes like killing me. I think I'm gonna put like little lip glosses and stuff like that in here, but what I really like about it is that it has like a mirror, so that is so freaking cool to me. And it matches my room colors or whatever, and I love the little Hello Gorgeous thing. So yeah, I just thought this was really cute, and this was actually on clearance for $12. I have no idea what the original price was, but yeah, definitely was a good pickup. The next item that I got was these satin pillowcases. So I already have some pillowcases on my pillows right now, but because I got a new bedspread, I'm not sure if it's gonna match with the sheet and pillowcase set that I have right now, so I just got these just in case it doesn't match. And these are white, so I feel like it will help bring out more white in my room because I don't have like any white things on my bed right now. And this is a standard queen 2-pack, 20 by 30, and I got this for $7.99, which is a pretty good deal. Next item I got is this exfoliating body scrub. I had to get it because it said girl power, and I'm so about that right now, being a girl boss, girl power, all that stuff like that. And plus it's baby blue, and that's like my favorite color. So yeah, I thought it was really cute. This was $5.99, and the scent is wild rose. I didn't even smell it, so I hope it smells good. And this will actually be my first time using a body scrub. So yeah, next thing that I got, I just freaking need it. It is a tip remover for fake nails, and y'all know that I always get fake nails, and usually I pay for a soak off at my nail salon, but it's going to be so much more convenient for me to soak off my nails in my own time, so that way when I go in I can just get my nails done, and that saves me between 30 minutes to an hour of time, plus I can make sure it's done correctly and they're not hurting me and stuff like that. And yeah, so this was $3.99, and I cannot wait to use this. That's really going to be a lifesaver. Next thing I got were these loofahs, and these were $3.99. It says jumbo dual texture bath sponges, and it says the gray side is for exfoliation and the pink side is to cleanse. And I just got them because I'm really trying to, you know, upgrade my pamper routine. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely use those with the body scrub. Next thing that I got was this 2-in-1 foaming bath soap and body wash, and it is Himalayan pink salts, and this was $6.99, but it's a really big container, so I feel like that was a good deal. So yeah, basically you can soak and wash with this. Next thing that I got is this waterless these waterless shavers, and I run out of shaving gel, and it's annoying to have to go buy more, and I just like these type better. I used to have an Intuition, and I really liked it, and I have a electric shaver right now, so I'm going to use this and see how that goes. This was $5.99, and I think that's a really good deal because I'm getting 4 freaking razors. So yeah, I don't have to shave because I shaved last week and my hair doesn't grow that fast, so I might wait to do like a, you know, updated pamper routine video next week. But yeah, that will definitely be coming soon. Next thing I got was this relaxing home mist, and this is in lemongrass scent, and it's infused with extension oil. You spray it on your sheets, your pillows, and all over your room, and it's basically supposed to help you relax. I don't know if it helps you sleep too, but Danielle Marie uses it, and she is like such an inspiration to me, and I feel like this will help me sleep better and stuff like that. So I'm gonna see how this works. This was $4.99, and yeah, I'm really happy that I found it. Last thing that I got was this robe, and I needed a new robe because the one that I have now is like way too big for me, and it just be exposing me all the time. So yeah, I got this robe. It's super duper comfy and fluffy, and it's great for like fall. I'm trying to get it so that y'all can see. Okay, yeah, so it has a hood, which I also like, and it's like a cream color, and like I said, it's super fluffy. But I am sold on the back. It says sleep in, and who doesn't want to sleep in? And it has lashes, and I love lashes, so yeah, I thought this was a good find, and this was $16.99. So yeah, that is everything that I got from TJ Maxx. Now I'm about to go in my room and clean it up, because that is also a part of self-care. You know, if you're in a messy space, then you're not going to feel very good. So it's really important to clean your room. So I'm just going to take y'all with me to do that. And yeah, it's really important to go splurge on yourself every once in a while. Usually, you know, I buy clothes and hair, stuff like that. But it's really important to take care of yourself. Like, you spend a lot of time in your bed, so it's important to make sure that you're comfortable and you like your bed, and then like to take care of your body. So that's why I got all these things from my pamper routine, because I really want to just take better care of myself, and yeah, I want to remind y'all to do the same. Okay, y'all, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just make up my bed, because making up your bed automatically just makes a huge difference in your room. As y'all can see, I still have on my old comforter. I think I'm gonna save my new comforter for a room transformation video, just because it is still a lot more other things that I want to do to improve my room. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep that to the side and wait to put it on. Alright y'all, so I made up my bed and y'all can see it is a tremendous difference. Now I'm about to just organize everything that is just laying around my room and put it in a section so I can go ahead and put it up. Organizing all the junk will make it so much easier to put up. That way you don't have to go make multiple trips and stuff like that. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Okay, so I have everything divided up into little piles of where they're supposed to go at. So yeah, this big pile right here is just the stuff that I bought from my room, and I'm probably just gonna put that in our outhouse until I'm ready to do my little transformation or whatever. This is just going in the kitchen. Obviously this I have to hang up on my closet door. This put with my electronics. These are going in the hamper. This I'm gonna keep in my room. This I'm gonna put the rest of my school stuff. All this is going into the hallway bathroom. These are receipts and stuff that I have to put up. That stuff goes in my purse. This goes in my bathroom, and then I have to hang up these jackets. So yeah, I'm about to go put all this stuff up, and then I will come back with a clean room. I also have some stuff on the ground. These are just the shoes that I had on, and I just need to put them up. They literally go right there, so not a far distance. And then this stuff is just trash, and it was way too nasty to put on my bed. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and put this stuff in the trash first. So tired, and all I did was jumping jacks and the damn lunges. The lunges are what killed me. But I need to take a little break so I can do the sit-ups all at one time and not have to like come back and do them. So I'm about to drink me some water, and it's important to stay hydrated. Very important part of self-care. So give me a sec. Alright, I'm about to finish. Okay y'all, so I'm done with my sit-ups, and I just did a little slight workout because literally I haven't worked out consistently or at all in like a good while, so I just want to take it easy, but I can't say that I did something for my body. I basically did 30 of everything, 30 lunges on each side, 30 jumping jacks, and I was gonna do 30 sit-ups, but I messed up the first like half, so that's why I went and did more. But yeah, that was my workout, my exhausting workout. Okay guys, so I am done with my little self-care day or whatever. I really have to say it was so relaxing, and it felt so good to like just dedicate some time to myself. I really feel so much better after doing that. It really is like just a energy booster, and I really feel a lot better about myself and how I'm taking care of myself and stuff. So I hope this video inspires you guys to do something for yourself. And I know that, you know, the pedicure and the shopping, those things cost money, but you don't have to do something that costs money to do something for yourself. You can, you know, paint your nails at home, or you know, you can like do a workout at home like I just did. You know, you can do anything. If y'all want more ideas on self-care things that you can do, let me know, and I will do a whole video dedicated to that. I really feel like it is important to, you know, promote these type of things, so I would love to do more videos like this. So like this video if you enjoyed it, feel free to comment and subscribe if you're not already, because like I said, we're on the road to 1K and I would love for you to join us. So bye, see you in my next video.